Hey, good afternoon guys. On this snowy afternoon I have come up here to Guisborough Woods with my favourite doggies. I viewed this as a chance to have a go with the new GoPro 11. I haven't really had much time to use it, and the only pictures I've got and videos generally in sort of Whitby Harbour. So I thought I'd try to read up on the instruction manual a bit more yesterday, because it's massive. It's 79 pages long, so that's a bit of a bedtime story. So yeah, I thought today, whilst the rugby is unfortunately cancelled again at Guisborough, I thought that I would come up here to one of our favourite spots to walk and just test it out. We'll get some nice photos, nice videos. On the dash cam, actually, on the way up here, we got some nice footage of the drive up in the snow. So that was really good, and I'll put that into a little video for you. I'll put it online or something, I don't quite know just yet. So I hope you enjoy any footage that we do get. Are we ready for the walk, doggies? Colin and Fernie? Aye. Yeah. Enthusiastic as ever. We'll probably have a coffee or something at the cafe here as well. Okay guys, I will sign off. Okay, so this is the entrance at Guisborough Woods here. You come in here, you've got a nice little sign there telling you, and a map telling you where you are. You can take dogs in here, you've just got to be dogs on leads in this bit where the cafe is. After that you can let them go, but be wary of farm animals and things like that, and deer and stuff. Nice picnic area there, and look at the shop there. I'll probably take a picture. The cafe is here, so some really nice stuff, including nice breakfast in here. Coffees are really good in here, just watch out, it's icy. I nearly fell over. Got a bit of a chest infection, guys, so that's why my voice sounds a bit hoarse today. There's a train carriage here that's been here for a while. I think they use that for educational reasons. When schools visit, they go in there. And they do lessons and things in there. Loads of things for the kids to look at around here as well. Bloody struggling here. Is it?
Yeah, it's quite icy.
Oh, yeah. I'm trying to get some footage on this GoPro, and I'll just get some footage of you being framed, won't I? Yeah, quite icy today, guys. So when you do come here in the winter, just watch out for that. Obviously they can't grit everywhere. It is you know, the countryside, so you do have to be careful of those things. Look, there's loads of sculptures like that around here for kids to look at. There's lots of riding school there. I don't know if you can, how you enroll there, but there's always horses in the field to look at. Just look at the scenery. Really nice up here. And if you don't know how to get here, it's on the Pinchingthorpe Road, and you just turn left after the turning into Guisborough. Loads of little information boards like this for the young ones to look at. Stoppings at the start of the trail here. There's not that many along, so just keep your take your rubbish with you, and your dog poos and all that. Don't leave them lying about. All sorts of stuff like that. It's really interesting here. A bit like Dalby Forest, but less busy and quieter. So we're going to carry on. We walk along this footpath, and then you can go up the hill and get some views. They sort of go halfway around and in the Rosebery topping direction and come down again. I don't think we're going to do that today. I don't quite know where we're going to go. We just tend, when we come up, me, mum and dad, we tend to go and walk as and where we see fit, really. As you come up here on the right hand side, there is a really large picnic area with a play area, and we usually cut through there and then walk along in the same direction, lane past some houses and that. You can turn right, and it's up there, you can turn right and go up that hill there. That's a good trek up there though. Not for the faint-hearted, you need to be quite fit to go up there. It is a nice view when you get up there though. So I just thought I'd record this little bit of snippet of clip here, because this is a game I always play, which is Where the Hell is Fern? He's wearing a red coat, he likes to go on a bit of an adventure and lead me on a merry dance. Fern! Where are you? Come on! See if you guys can see her. She's probably up right at Roseberry Bloody Topping. Right, I'll find her in the end.